This is Motorola Moto G53, and today I'm going to demonstrate that you can check your data usage on this device. So to begin with, you will need to launch settings. Onwards, enter the the network and internet category. In here, go for the mobile network. And at the following page, you'll be able to look up how much cellular gigabytes you have used within the last period of time. That is set to be 30 days by default. And if you have any actual mobile data usage present, you will be able to also enter the app data usage section over here and see the statistics on what exactly was using the mobile data and, well, how much of it or what part of it. So let's say it will demonstrate whether, for example, your browser used 10 gigabytes of cellular data within the 30 days or so. Alrighty, so that will be it. Thanks for watching and bye-bye.